Hi. I'm in water. Quiche like fruit and potatoes. Somebody left the desert. Hi, I'm Jenny, and I give you the Benton Hot Springs Inn. Oh my goodness. Look at this room. So cute. Welcome to Benton Inn. So cute. It is a little pool light and this little sink. And oh, this is gonna be the best vacation ever. I have not been on a vacation. There's even a bathtub. This is the bathhouse for the miner's cabin, because there's one cabin that doesn't have a bathroom. I love the old faucet. This is the miner's cabin that doesn't have a restroom included, but it's actually a miner's cabin. This place is incredible. Okay, let's just walk. As I was gifted a stay at the Benton Hot Springs Inn, originally I was not going to make a video of my vacation. I did no research before I traveled even. I knew just enough that it was going to be a magical place. Once I got here, even the sunshine hits you different. Benton is a tiny unincorporated community in Mono County, the oldest existing town. In 1852, it was full-fledged checkpoint for travelers. Later, it was a mining town. It was originally founded by the Native Americans who came to use the hot springs, of course. The town today is still family-owned, third and fourth generation, I believe, with 70% of the town actually in a conservation land trust. The most brilliant idea ever to keep the peaceful, serene quietness of this town intact. Not sure if I'm going to be able to get the whole walking tour, but this is the Benton Jail, and there's a small walking tour that happens that you can do. Robert Morrison's story. The hotel I'm staying in was built in 1940 and has had a few upgrades, but also the perfect amount of rustic. Fun fact, in the hotel, the floors are heated with the hot spring water underneath the tiles. It's luxurious. They offer campsites with private tubs. You can get a whole house with the private tubs, stay in the hotel, or the miner's cabin like we just saw. You can't get closer to the jail, unfortunately. I was gonna peek in the window. Over across the street, there's a really neat little building. And I just met the man who lives in this building. It was the original butcher shop. It has a creek running in front of it. And it must be a hot creek because I see steam coming up off there. But how cute is that little building? But it is a private residence, so don't go knocking on the door. Okay, I don't have the book, but this is number 18 on the walking tour. So just don't go knocking on the door. I am fairly certain that this house is available for rent from the Benton Hot Springs. And just look at the hot creek that just flows through the properties. Yes, this is one of the houses for rent. And then there's a house tucked right over here. I'm gonna come and stay at that one next time. Look at, there's a hot spring right out the back door. The sun is getting ready to go down. It's so peaceful around here. It's just a lot of cool old stuff. I'm hoping tomorrow in the morning I'll be able to get a copy of the walking tour. Look at that gas pump. I've never seen a gas pump like that in my life, ever. Is that a gas pump? I'm assuming that's a gas pump because there's a bunch of cars next to it. Do you know what that is? I don't know. We got some old cars. It's like this one little block area that's just nice and quiet. This, I know, is the original hotel Hot Springs hotel from, see, 1904. Almost ghost town. Ooh, there's a Hot Springs nonprofit. So cool. Okay, we'll try that. And then how neat is this? Benton Hot Springs, established 1852. Look at that motor oil can. Oh, there's an old Coca-Cola. Pause. Drink Coca-Cola. I think I might. And then there's this. Oh, perfect. This is perfect. Hang on a second. So the Wells Fargo agency and general store. This building has listened to the sounds of civilization passing its doors for over 100 years. The sound of miners, horses, oxen, wagon, stagecoach, auto, plane have all contributed to this for over a century. Now, this is going to be great because I have another video coming. We are going to go to a stage stop that was between Benton and Virginia City. And it was very, very busy back in the day. Now, there's nothing but a bunch of wild horses. Look at that. This is gonna be great. Isn't it gonna be great? Look at that. That's for me. Poached eggs inside bacon? What is this place? This is magical. This is one tub, And it just was emptied and is being refilled. So I'm not soaking in this one because it's too cold for that. But this is the view from this tub. This tub. Ooh, this tub is empty too. Gonna have to fill that up. I got soaking to do. This looks like just what I need. Oh, there we go. I just want to float all day. And you know what? I just might. One of the 3 tubs is open right now. I'll come back tonight and float in the other tub. But this is so fabulous. If it gets too hot, you turn this down. If you want more hot water, you turn it up. Love this place. My view. The tub.
Perfect. You're the world champion growler.
Have you folks seen Little Miss Sunshine? It's my new favorite movie. It's old. Float here all day. Hope you can hear me because I did not wear my new microphones into this hot spring. That would be a horrible idea. It's so nice. Hi. I was going to film you under the bed. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Here we go. There we go. Good morning. Goodbye. Have a good day. Let's see what we got. Oh, what is this? Is that like a popover egg quiche thing? And a tiny cinnamon roll. Ooh, yeah. Let's see. Walking. I never knew me a better time, and I guess I never will. That's the miner's cabin. That's where I'm coming next time. Be grateful, make good choices in your own adventures, and I'll catch you on the flip side.